So my roommate's estranged alcohol-loving uncle died, and this was his cook bag of recipes. I've written down every chapter on this wheel, and I'm gonna make one. I'm David Zarko, and this is Dead Greg's Recipes. Party appetizers. This is the party appetizers bag, and we are making gourmet grilled cheese.
Gourmet round cheese, which consists of provolone, Havarti, and then this section I figured was a jam, blueberry sugar, 2 tablespoons of Pinot Noir, some kind of red wine anyway. And you're gonna wanna make it with good bread, which is either sourdough or wheat. 2 cups blueberries, a lemon squeeze thing worth of sugar, 2 tablespoons Pinot Noir. Cooked it. I added some key lime juice, put it in the fridge. I went with good bread here. I went with sourdough. Havarti and provolone. Laid the jam down. Stovetop at medium heat, and I used an empty pot to somewhat press it down. Then it's time to serve it up. Let's see what the roommate thinks.
So this is gourmet grilled cheese.
Okay. What's gourmet about it?
2 kinds of cheeses. We got Havarti oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah.
What the? Oh, that jam is
Jelly or jam?
Get good bread with
Good
it.
bread.
This is the best grilled cheese I've ever had in my life.
Yeah. Dude, the jam.
Right, I'm ready to rate it. Oh.
I can't.
Stop eating.
One more.
No.
At 3, 2, 1. I went 9 too.
Nice.
My first 9.
Yeah.
8. This is
Congrats.
Oh
No,
my
it's
God.
amazing, but I just the simplicity of it.
Blueberries, Pinot Noir, simplicity of it. Wait, I didn't tell you.
I didn't know all
I
that.
didn't. Yeah, you're right. Next time on Dead Greg's Recipes.
Hello, that's the end of the video, but YouTube requires that the video is a certain length, so it's not counting as a short. So I figured I'd use this time to plug in my website. It's deadgregs.com, and you can buy prints such as this one. And it's also where the cookbook will be. A lot of people have been asking about the cookbook. That'll be out this month. Maybe you're seeing this at a later date. Till next time.